Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to free up space on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. First of all, you should delete any picture that are available on your phone that you don't use, any pictures or any videos that you are not using actually on your phone. That will give you more space. And the second thing, you can go to the settings of your phone, and after that go to general, and after that go to iPhone storage. On iPhone storage here, as you can see, it will gives you the app that you are using and how much storage every app it's taking. So for example, if there is an app that you are not actually using, you can select it. For example, I will select iMovie, and to have some space, you have two choices. If you want to delete the app, of course, it will give you more storage from the app size and also from the document and data. But if you don't want and you want to keep the document and data from the app, but you want to get some more storage, you have to offload the app. And as you can see, I will click offload the app. And as you can see, the app is deleted from the phone, but the document and data from it are still here. So I got the storage that this app was taking on my phone. And this option is good because if you want to install that app again after, you will find all the document and data related to it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.